This is how to change the cabin filter on your Jaguar XF. This is a 2015 model, right hand drive. Should be the same on here, mirror image, if you've got the left hand drive version. We're going to come over here to the glove box and we're going to remove this panel. It's held in with 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. They just need popping out and then we'll change the filter. One, 2, third one over here. Take the cover off. And then it's just here. Clip and a clip. Squeeze. Pull that down. And then that reveals the cabin filter. Make a note of the airflow direction. And then get your replacement. Slide it in. Click, click. That's that changed. And it's literally put the cover back on, put the 3 clips back in, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.